Hi guys, Cliff here. I'm just putting together my new building table. Look how big it is. I get a few grillos on here, guys. Just put this one on here just because I want to play with adding a pilot. It's the Cavalier build from earlier, a few weeks ago, a couple of months ago now. Still waiting to Maiden, of course, but this is great. This is my new corner now. I should be doing all my videos from this corner. I can move the camera around at different angles if I want to, but yeah, this is my nice new corner. I've got planes, I've got some of my planes in here around me now. It's feeling much more like a hangar, which is brilliant. So I'm just going to disappear now, and I'll see you in the next video, which hasn't been decided yet. Did I just do that? Can't believe it. See you later.